1 can of kidney bean, a can of 15-ounce pumpkin, a can of diced tomatoes, 1 pound of ground beef, alright, 2 teaspoons parsley, 2 teaspoons chili, 1.5 teaspoon oregano, and 1.5 teaspoon cumin, and 1 teaspoon salt. 3 garlic cloves diced, 1 medium onion, and 1 medium yellow pepper. You can use any pepper you wish. Add beef to pot on medium heat. Break apart with your spoon and cook until brown. Yes, ma'am. Yes. You can don't watch it. After you brown your beef, let it simmer for 3 to 5 minutes. Then you drain all the oil off. When I do this recipe again, I will dice my peppers and onions into smaller pieces and allow them to cook a little longer. After you cook your pepper and onion and garlic, you're going to add your beef and then all the herbs and spices that I mentioned in the beginning of the video. Add the beef mixture to the crock pot. Then I'm going to add the broth. 3 cups. I'm using beef broth. Tomato. Beans. Can of pumpkin, mix all your ingredients together, then cook on low for 4 to 5 hours, or if you're in a rush like I was, you can cook on high for 2.5 hours. After 2.5 hours later, it is ready. You want to go outside? You want to go outside? You want to go out there? You want to go outside?
Yeah, good.
It was my first time making this chili and it was very comforting to eat.
Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe, like, and comment down below.